Welcome back. In continuation of orthogonal trajectories, in previous video we discussed about the orthogonal trajectory when the Cartesian curve were given to you. Cartesian curve means what? If the curve is expressed in terms of x and y coordinates, then it is Cartesian curve. Now, the orthogonal trajectory for the polar curves. Here, the equation of curves are given in terms of r and theta. The similar steps are there. Step 1, differentiate with respect to theta and remove constant c. Here in Cartesian, what we have done, differentiate with respect to x and remove constant c. Replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy. Here we are replacing dr by d theta by minus r square d theta by dr. Solve the differential equation for orthogonal trajectory. The same steps, only here we have r theta, there in Cartesian x and y value. Now find orthogonal trajectory of r is equal to a1 plus cos theta. Some direct steps I will be writing. Differentiate, this is equation 1. Differentiate with respect to theta. Differentiate with respect to theta. If you differentiate with respect to theta, so dr by d theta equals a is multiplicative constant, derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of cos is minus sin. Now after taking derivative, second equation you have obtained, but a has not been removed by taking derivative. So what to do? Remove a from these two equations, or find value of a from here and put in equation 1, or find value of a from equation 1 and put it here. What I am going to do? Dr by d theta equals a minus sin theta. What I am going to do? Find value of a from equation 1. Value of a will be what? R divided by 1 plus cos theta. Here, r by 1 plus cos theta. You can find value of a from here and you can put it here. That way you can do. Now, so this is differential equation of given family of curves. Replace dr by d theta by minus r square d theta by dr. Is it? Now, replace dr by d theta by minus r square d theta by dr. This is as it is, r sin theta as it is, 1 plus cos theta in the denominator as it is. Now, you can solve it for one more step. This minus sign will get removed. D theta by dr, r gets cancelled, 1 r gets cancelled means like this. Okay, so this is differential equation of orthogonal trajectory. So this may be asked as an MCQ. This is a differential equation of an orthogonal trajectory. And once you solve this differential equation, you will be getting orthogonal trajectories. What to do? Separate variables, means r shift on the right hand side, d theta, theta you have to shift on the left hand side. What I am going to do? This is dr by r and 1 plus cos theta by sin theta d theta. Theta and r I have separated. So while separating theta and r, dr and d theta must be kept in the numerator. Take integration then. 1 plus cos theta by sin theta, and we are integrating with respect to theta. Here integration with respect to r, like this. Okay, so you can easily solve this integral. Means in order to solve this integral, you can use the trigonometric formula also. 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2, and here sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. It's for the sake of integration I am doing. Right hand side is as it is. Now 2 gets cancelled, 1 cos will be removed, and what will remain there? Cos by sin will remain, it is cot theta by 2. Directly writing. Right hand side is as it is. Okay, this right hand side is as it is. Now integration of 1 by r is log r. Integration of log to cot is what? Log of sin and divided by derivative of theta by 2 is 1 by 2, that we have to write in the denominator, it will jump here like this. And all the terms are log term, therefore log C integration constant I am putting. A has been used here as an arbitrary constant, log C integration constant. The log of A plus log of B is log of R into C. Log of sine square theta by 2 by law of logarithm, this 2 can be brought here, and log of left hand side equal to log of right hand side, therefore okay, so they are domains to this. So this is orthogonal trajectory of this one, this is orthogonal trajectory of this, and this is orthogonal trajectory of this, vice versa. And in order to get the most simplified answer, this sine square theta by 2 can be written as 1 minus cos theta, okay, and this divided by 2. It's a trigonometric formula. Then R is there, this 1 minus cos theta, R is equal to C by 2, 1 minus cos theta, is it? And this C by 2 can be replaced by what? C by 2 can be replaced by B also, because it is a constant. 1 minus cos theta is equal to R. So this is orthogonal trajectory of this curve. Okay, see the difference between this. Here plus is replaced by minus only. So if you find orthogonal trajectory of this family of curves, so you will be getting this. This will be the answer for this orthogonal trajectory of this. This is orthogonal trajectory of this thing, and this is orthogonal trajectory of this one. So this is the most simplified answer. So you can keep up to this also. But when MCQ is given, yeah, MCQ may be given in a more simplified form. Therefore, I have extended the solution up to this time. So this is orthogonal trajectory of this. Okay. Now the next problem. Find orthogonal trajectory of this family of curves. Again, we have to do the same. Okay. Differentiate with respect to some direct steps I will be writing with respect to theta. What we get then? We get 2r dr by d theta equals a square is multiplicative constant and derivative of this is what minus 2 sine 2 theta. Derivative of cos 2 theta is minus sine 2 theta and derivative of 2 theta is 2. Then this 2 has been removed. Then what is remaining? R d theta by dr. This equals a square with minus sign 2 theta. Okay. So after taking derivative, try to remove arbitrary constant. A square is arbitrary constant. So remove a square from here. So what to do? This equation r d theta by dr as it is, and a square sine 2 theta. A square is what? R square by cos 2 theta. Okay. Then r d theta by dr equals minus r square sine 2 theta. Or you can write sine by cos tan 2 theta also. Is tan 2 theta. Sine by cos is tan, minus sine as it is. And then 1 r gets cancelled. D theta by dr equals minus r tan 2 theta. 1 r has been removed. Now, after solving this, so what to do? Replace d theta by dr, replace what? dr by d theta. What we have done here, dr by d theta, it must be replaced by Okay. In this problem, differentiate with respect to theta, derivative of r square is 2r dr by d theta. Derivative of, in this problem, differentiate with respect to theta, derivative of r square is what? 2r dr by d theta equals a square is multiplicative constant, derivative of cos is minus sin 2 theta, and derivative of 2 theta is minus 2. Then this is as it is, 2 gets cancelled. This is as it is again right hand side. Then replace, find value of a square from here. A square is what? R square by cos 2 theta. Put it here. A square equal to R square by cos 2 theta. Then the same thing I have written here. See, sin by cos is what? Tan only. Then dr by d theta is minus r tan 2 theta because one r gets cancelled. Now replace dr by d theta by minus r square d theta by dr. So what I am going to do, minus r square d theta by dr minus r tan theta. Okay. Now one r gets cancelled again, minus is also about r d theta by dr tan theta. Now separate variables, theta I am shifting on the left hand side because 1 by tan is what? Directly written, and dr by r, take integration in this step. Then integration of log is what? Cos is what? Cot is what? Log of sin 2 theta, and it divided by what? And it is log of r. Both the terms are log term. Log c integration constant I am putting. The log of this plus this is log of a into b, and this 1 by 2 will come here at the index place of sin. Therefore, sin raised to power 1 by 2 2 theta I am getting. And this implies, if you take square of both the sides, then sin 2 theta is equal to r square c square. And if you take r c square on the left hand side, here I am writing r square is equal to 1 by c square sin 2 theta. Okay, and for convenience, this 1 by c square can be replaced by a square, or 1 by c square can be replaced by b square because a is already repeated here. B square sin 2 theta. Now this is orthogonal trajectory of this curve. So here see the difference. Here a square cos 2 theta and here b square sin 2 theta. If you find orthogonal trajectory of this, then you will be getting this answer. So this is for you. This is for your homework. Start from here, you will get this orthogonal trajectory. Start from here, you will get orthogonal trajectory. Okay, simultaneously you are getting homework problem also. Now, next problem. Find orthogonal trajectory of r equal to a cos theta only. Differentiate with respect to theta. Dr by d theta, a derivative of cos. This is our equation 1 and this is our equation 2. Now, find value of a from here and put it here. Dr by d theta, value of a is r by cos theta, minus sin theta is as it is. Now replace dr by d theta by minus r square d theta by dr minus r square d theta by dr. This minus is as it is and r sin by cos is tan. Now minus has gone, 1 r has gone, r d theta by dr is equal to tan theta. Okay, here I am writing the next step. Then separate variables. Tan, if you shift on the left hand side, it will be cot theta d theta, and dr by r like this. Separate variables, separate theta and r. The integration of cot is log of sin, and integration of 1 by r is log r. Both the terms are log term, log c integration constant I am putting. So log of a plus log of b is log of a into b is log of r into c, and log of sine equal to log of r into c is sine theta equal to this. Okay, this is the orthogonal trajectory. And you can solve it further. R is equal to 1 by c sine theta. C I have shifted on the left hand side, and this 1 by c constant can be replaced by b also. This is the orthogonal trajectory, or this is the orthogonal trajectory. See the difference between the given family and this one. Only a cos is replaced by sine. R equal to b sin theta, R equal to a cos theta, like that. So if you find orthogonal trajectory of this, so you will be getting this as an answer for orthogonal trajectory. Okay, this is all about the orthogonal trajectory of the polar curve. We stop here. Thank you very much.